I'm up here at J&P Cycle, rummaging around, and I came across the tool bag section. And I was looking at some of these. Let me get the wide angle lens here. I was looking at some of these. This one's kind of a square bag. You see that? That's 75 bucks. But that's a nice leather bag. Willie Max. Alright. And then I was looking. This one's a tool bag. I was thinking about your Triumph there. This one's kind of cool. Brown leather. I don't think that's what you want. I came across one that looks like it would go wide on your forks. This is a Saddleman. It's got that. Your basic full open bag. And that one's the Drifter, 55 bucks. That one's like an oval. Then there's this one, which is full round. This is a lot bigger than mine. Saddleman Cruisin' Deluxe, 51 bucks. This looks like a good bag. The thing about this bag is it's got this zipper under here. This is real hard to do with only one hand. I'm trying to get some ideas for you because I'm going to swing through the Daytona flea market and check out Leatherman, see if he's still there, see what he's doing. This is a nice bag right here. Saddleman. And so once you close it and zip that up and put the top flap over, this is pretty much a fully rain-proof bag. And the way you attach it, you'd have to get your own belt. You know, it can wrap up and down, or it can wrap around your forks. So I thought that bag was pretty cool. Something like that for your bike. Not a bunch of frill. On mine personally, I like the leather straps like this. But this is still nice. This piece of metal right here may rust over a long period of time, but this is a nice bag. And you're going to be able to put a whole bunch of stuff in there. So you're looking at a Saddleman Cruisin' $52. And as I was looking, they got this one down here, which is massive. I think that would be too big for your bike, but you could put enough clothes to go on vacation in that thing. This is a nice bag. Square. So maybe you should look at these Saddleman products. It's just a big open bag, no zipper or anything. So anyway, there's one up here. What is this? The Eagle windshield bag, 70 bucks. That would probably fit across Triumph's forks. Just open. Got a pocket up there in the top. You see it? Anyway, I just came through JP Cycles, and I was looking at this stuff. Something like that right there looks like you, man. 52 bucks maybe. Alright, we'll see what they got over at the flea market. That one right there, that's an S&S. That's big, thick leather. Boy, that's big, thick. That's some big, thick leather. That leather is that's like 1/8 of an inch thick. Got the flaps, the flaps that go over. Man, you could fit so much stuff in that thing. Street and steel. That ain't right. That's trickery. They make it like S&S. Street and steel. This will be a nice bag if you like the tall type bag. That is man, that's my favorite piece of leather. That's the side of a cow right there. This one here, this is more like a maybe a synthetic, maybe a real type leather with a synthetic cover. All right.